Hello students, we will do the rest exercise questions of the lesson Neha's alarm clock in this video. So let's start. Question is, use the help box to fill in the blanks. Helping words are was and were. So the first one is Ram dash a good football player. Now see, Ram is a singular noun. राम एक पर्सन है, किसी एक पर्सन का नाम है. सो वी यूज वॉज फॉर सिंगुलर नाउन्स एंड वर फॉर प्लूरल नाउन्स. सो वी यूज वॉज विथ राम. राम वॉज अ गुड फुटबॉल प्लेयर. द cows dash grazing in the field. Cows. Cows is a plural noun. Plural. Cow. Cows. Cow is singular. Cows is plural. So the cows were grazing in the field. Next is my toys dash broken. See, toys is also a plural noun. Toy, toys. My toys were broken. Her frock dash too long. Now frock is a singular noun. Her frock was too long. The market dash closed. Market is also a singular noun. So the market was closed. The children dash happy. The children were happy because children is a plural noun. Child is a singular noun. The flowers dash kept in a vase. The flowers were kept in a vase. Flower, flowers. Flowers is plural. Flower is singular. Next question is, look at the pictures below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words. With the help of these words, we have to complete this paragraph. Pulled out, inside, called out, behind and under. Yesterday, I lost a book. कल मैंने एक बुक खो दी. I looked for it everywhere. मैंने उसे हर जगह ढूंढा. I looked dash a door. Now, see this picture. This girl is looking behind the door. So, दरवाजे के पीछे. Behind. I looked behind a door. मैंने एक डोर के पीछे देखा. I looked dash a cupboard. Now, see in this picture, the girl is looking inside the cupboard. अंदर की ओर. I looked inside a cupboard. I looked dash a bed. Now, the position of this girl is under the bed. Under the bed. I looked under a bed. मैंने बेड के नीचे देखा. I could not find it anywhere. मैंने इसे कहीं नहीं पाया. Then I called out शेरू. तब मैंने किसे पुकारा? शेरू को. My dog came running to me. मेरा डॉग मेरी तरफ आ रहा था. I asked him to look for my book. मैंने उसे मेरी बुक ढूंढने के लिए कहा. He dashed another book from my bag. He pulled out another book from my bag. You can see the dog is pulling out the another book from the girl's bag. Pulled out, बाहर निकालना. Next question is, here is a word clock. Write down words relating to clock. यहाँ पर क्लॉक वर्ड दिया गया है एंड यू हैव टू मेक साउंड ऑफ क्लॉक, another word for clock, picture of clock, word in your language for clock, name different parts or times and make a sentence. In the same way, for morning you have to write sound, another word, morning picture, word in your language, different times or paths and make a sentence. You have to do these questions by your own. Do all the questions in your notebook, and if you find any difficulty, discuss with me in our WhatsApp group. Thank you.